What's going on, guys? This is Damir from Bag Riders, and today I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is to install the RidePro E5 AirPod by Ridetech. Take a look. So why is the AirPod so easy to install? Well, take a look. It comes fully pre-assembled with compressors, manifold, and your air tank. All that there is left to do is run your wiring and air lines. In comparison to traditional air management systems, typically you would have to do all of this piece by piece, making this install a breeze. Here are the 4 easy steps. Begin by placing the AirPod in your trunk. Step 2. Run your pre-installed wiring harness to your battery and then plug in your controller. Step 3. Run your air lines from your suspension to your E5 AirPod. And the final step, calibrate your system through the Ridetech controller and set your presets. And that's it! This is why we at Bag Riders love this system. It's very user-friendly and it's perfect for the novice installer because it saves you several hours of install time, potentially saving you some money. As the mechanic at Bag Riders, I love dropping this thing into a trunk, running the airlines along with the wiring, and then focusing the rest of my time on developing the super low suspension. If you have any additional questions, contact our friendly staff at sales@bagriders.com. And as always, shop bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop for all of your air suspension needs. Damir, out.